For weeks now, the country has been treated to a war of words between antagonists of the ongoing war on graft. President Uhuru Kenyatta seeking to clear the air on the matter in his annual State of the Nation address in Parliament. President Kenyatta said war on graft was unstoppable and was not targeting any individual.
There will be no turning back on the war against corruption, as it is a just war and a war to prevent misuse of public resources for selfish interests by those who have been entrusted to manage them. That the pursuit of the corrupt will be undertaken strictly within the remits of the law. It will not be done through vigilante justice and pitchfork protests.
President Kenyatta once again appealed to the judiciary to expedite corruption cases and stand tall in the fight.
We need to ensure that corruption cases are heard and determined on a priority basis. Kenyans are waiting to see more convictions and far less cynical exploitation of court processes to protect a few. Indeed, I particularly urge the judiciary not to appear to protect their own or to allow the abuse of privilege in the case where their officials are suspected of or have been under active investigation for corruption.
Hailing the multi-spectral approach that has been employed in the ongoing purge on corruption, President Kenyatta, however, urged all to play their part effectively to eradicate the ghost of graft.
My administration has continued to strengthen the investigative, law enforcement and prosecutorial functions of government and embrace the multi-agency approach to encourage joint intelligence sharing, investigation and prosecution. And these measures have already reaped visible benefits. It is not enough to merely jail and fine those who have looted from our public coffers. The wealth stolen from Kenyans must be returned to its owners, the people of Kenya.
The president warned that any public servant whose corruption case lands in a court of law will automatically be suspended until cleared by the court.
That anyone whose case goes before court will be removed from government, and any individual will thereafter have to answer his case before a court of law.
The judiciary has been accused of being a weak link in the war on graft, but has been on the defensive accusing the DPP of filing weak cases in court.